Hey, it's Todd Ault. Welcome back to Wall Street Words. Today's word is fast market. What's a fast market mean? It means that the normal operations of a shares traded, something's going on. And if you put a market order in, it's likely to not get executed at the price you think it's going to be executed at because something's happening. It could be earnings, could be news, could be speculation. It's a fast market, it's dynamic, it's trading fast, and those quotes could be behind, and you may not get filled on the order you're expecting to get filled on. Now, these fast markets happen when stocks are going down or up. They're usually associated with high volatility. Today's word is fast market. Pay attention to that because you could get burned. If you're trying to buy a specific price, you got to use limit orders in a fast market. But if you want to own the stock for sure, you can press that market order. Today's word is fast market.
Hey, thanks for watching Wall Street Words. Please subscribe and hit that bell below. If you think this video adds value, please share it with somebody. By the way, if you want to watch more Wall Street Words videos, there's 2 videos right here you can watch right now. There's new videos every day. Thanks for watching Wall Street Words. Always great things happening here.